What are the benefits of high-efficiency solar panels? Typical solar panels just a few years ago, circa 2015, were, say, 15.9% efficient. Today that number is more like 21.5%. That might not seem like much, but it is the difference between a 320W panel and a 420W panel of the same size. It is the difference between needing 20 high-efficiency panels for an 8.5 kilowatt system, and 26 low-efficiency panels. What does this mean in more practical terms? In this installation, you could completely eliminate the 4-panel secondary array by using high-efficiency panels instead of low-efficiency panels. These in the photo do appear to be modern high-efficiency panels. But I am just using this as a visual aid. The point is being, you could entirely eliminate the second array, the racking, the wiring, the labor cost, and the visual incongruity. Wouldn't this house look better if all the panels were just on the main roof? Solar panel efficiency has been improving at a very rapid pace. Consumer-grade panels, bottom orange line, doubled in efficiency from 2010 to 2020. Solar has become a trillion-dollar industry, so it is finally getting the global R&D funding that it deserves. Each yearly product cycle sees advancements in materials and manufacturing processes. Bifacial panels are one of the biggest efficiency breakthroughs in the past few years. We just need to find a way to effectively use them. I put efficiency in quotes because bifacial panels use the same 21% efficient cells as normal panels. They just boost overall panel efficiency by utilizing ambient light that hits the underside of the panel, which, unfortunately, is practically nothing on a roof mount system. One use case scenario I could see for a single high-efficiency bifacial panel is using it to quickly charge a large portable power station like the Anker 767 or the Bluetti AC200P. A 420W bifacial panel can exceed 500W if a reflective or white surface is behind it. The Anker 767 can be charged from solar at 1000W up to 51V. The Bluetti AC200P allows 700W solar charging at 58V. A properly situated bifacial panel near a white building will deliver 500W at 42V, and will thus effectively charge either 2000WH power station in about 4 hours with 100% sunny skies. A visual comparison between the brand new, 2023, Anker 767 Powerhouse and the old-school Bluetti AC200 Max, launched in July 2020. With a gas generator, the Anker charges in 1.5 hours while the old-school Bluetti takes a whopping 5.5 hours. Solar power stations manufactured before 2020 are quickly becoming antiques. Note the 410W power brick on the old Bluetti, while the Anker charges 3 times faster using the same power cable you'd use on a desktop PC. The AC200P, launched in November 2020, allows you to use a pair of 400W bricks for a 3-hour charge from wall power or a generator. You are still looking at lugging 2 giant power bricks vs 0 power bricks with the Anker 767. What I love about the Anker 767 is that it sets a high bar that other manufacturers need to reach. Jackery, EcoFlow, and Bluetti have, IMO, been slacking lately and they need a wake-up call. We have 500W solar panels, and we want to be able to use them. The Anker lets you use 2 of them if you want to. Not to mention the fact that you don't have to run a gas generator all day to top it off when the sun isn't shining. High-efficiency solar panels are certainly nice on the go. Portable 200W panels have become the size and weight of a lightweight briefcase. With that much power you can run a DC mini-fridge all day and still has the power to charge a little 600W power station. When the sun goes down, you fold up your solar panel and stow it under the seat. Gone are the days when a big, bulky solar panel barely moves the needle on your battery charger. Thanks for watching and subscribe for latest solar panel updates.